Welcome to Barry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Corsicana, Texas. We are your family dealer less than 1 hour from downtown Dallas, serving the Corsicana, Dallas-Fort Worth area and Enos, Waxahachie, Fairfield, Waco, Texas area. We have been here since 1989 and have a family atmosphere without that high-pressure feeling. Please see our Enroll in our e-newsletter here. We will send you special offers for cash-off cars and service and parts if you enroll. Below is our Facebook and Twitter pages. Please be a fan. Up here is our finance app. We also have in-house 100% approval at Barry for people reestablishing their credit. Please fill out the form and we will approve you. Also, please contact us right up here for sales, services, or parts. Within 8 minutes, our team will get back to you with any info you want on our inventory, service, or parts. Our team works 24/7 to get back to you right away. Don't forget to check out our inventory page up top. We also order you any car we offer that is not in stock, so come in and see us. Rebates are really high now on most new cars. And please check out our video blogger on all of our cars.